my best friend.
Hello fam, welcome back to another video, and thank you so much for coming for another motivational and inspirational video. Today I'll be sharing with you guys my busy day, and also I'm gonna be showing you guys what we got from Amazon Prime Day. I'll be doing a lot of laundry, cleaning, refills, cooking, and anything that I cook on here, I'll be having the full recipe on my cooking channel at amzolinek cooks. So I just hope you enjoy watching this video, guys.
Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing mattered.
So basically I was going back and forth from the kitchen to the laundry and just multitasking. Typical mom life, guys, you all know already.
Nighttime rumors, we were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep.
So just cleaning out your dryer filter is so important, guys, because it's just gonna make the machine function better and also prevent you from any sort of accident. And also it was a very sunny, beautiful day, so I decided to hang the heavy things like the bathroom rug outside under the sun. So yeah.
Young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Here I was just giving my laundry a little bit of a makeover because I didn't like the way the floor and other things look. But the major part was the floor and also the plumbing. I don't know who did the plumbing in this laundry room, but this was quack. But I couldn't do anything about the plumbing and the pipes, but I did what I was able to do. So yeah, it came out a little bit more appealing and just comfortable in there. So I switched things here and there, and also got a washable rug or mat kind of thing, so I spread it over on the floor. And also the floor was no longer cold if I happened to come there without shoes, and it also made the place very bright and airy. And this is what it looks like with the carpet or rug on the floor. I feel like the carpets made this room got brighter and wider in my eyes. I don't know, but it seems to be. I have the dry hanger here in the corner. It is so soft and really feels good under the foot. Now I'm gonna bring in the rest of the things. those connections, the wire and the cables and the pipes. I hate to see them like that, but there's nothing I can do about it. So it is what it is. I'm gonna have the trash can here because it's just easier to get the dirt from here to here. So I'm just working with functionality. I'm gonna be storing some paper towels in here, and in this one I'm gonna be storing some cloths. And here I'll be storing some wet wipes. It's white fabric over it because the pink was just too much for me. So I had to cover it up. So it's just a quick, simple makeover.
When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. We never fall.
So here is what we got from Prime Day sales. Cordless vacuum cleaner. This was something that I've always wanted to have because my previous one, you guys know it, that I always use. It's just kind of difficult to move around and maneuver with it when you're cleaning a bigger space. So I always have to pull the cable, look for a nearby outlet to connect to electricity when I move around to clean with it. And it's also kind of very annoying when you try to clean the stairs with a vacuum cleaner that has a cord. Came with a manual and some extra gadgets in here in case we want to use it to clean the car, the couch, and just tight corners and tight places. And it is the AEG charging station right here. It has a smaller one. So this here is going to make life just easy for me to clean around because it has no cord and it cleans perfectly. We've tried it out already. It was a good deal. This was the only thing we got off of Amazon Prime Day this year, and yeah, this was the only thing that I needed. And very portable, and it's very lightweight as well. Absolutely just what I was looking for. And once this is charged, I can clean the whole entire house, including upstairs and downstairs, before the battery dies. So that's how long it actually lasts. And it's so flexible, guys. Like, I can literally have the camera on one hand while I clean.
Much harder, all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far.
And here I have the entire entourage coming in majestically. They just came back from picking John from school, and this guy, he just doesn't like the camera. Yeah.
To realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again.
And this buffet just accumulates so much dust, no matter how you wipe it.
Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again.
Here I was just just taking care of the shoe and jacket station, and today I'm gonna be washing those shoes by hand because the last time I washed shoes in the wash machine, it got the shoes tight, smaller. And yeah, and I also do search their jackets when they come from kindergarten because they do keep stones in their pockets. And when you throw them into the washer, goodness, it's just loud.
Things will never be the same, like strangers again. Like strangers again. Strangers again. Now that we parted, I better get started. It's time to get my.
And here's how I wash the shoes. I just add some varnish powder into the water and then soak the shoes, then give them a good scrub. And I'm also gonna be air drying them outside.
Head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Oh, I know things will never be the same, like strangers again. Like strangers again.
Back to the kitchen. My flour vase needed to be changed. The water was looking gross, so I just used some baking soda and give it a good scrub with some dish soap. And by the way, those are artificial flowers. But that's the only artificial flower I have in my house, but they look so real, so I had to get them. And adding water to the vase makes it even more real, and you can't really tell it's artificial unless you say it.
Like strangers again.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing. But if you're game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. And I'm feeling the way I do. Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough.
So I need to refill a few things that have run out of content. So like this right here. Okay. Just one cookie left. And I'm just gonna look around, almost empty. I'm just gonna look around and see whatever that is empty.
Make it with you. This time I'm gonna be through. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm.
So this is just something I like to do towards the weekend. I check what is going out of stock before we go grocery shopping. That way I know exactly what to buy and how much we should be buying. So that way we get to consume what is still there and we are not wasteful.
We can pretend that we have changed it.
Hello baby. Wow. That's how you know they are around. Just the hype and yeah, the energy, this boy. And Mia is just a mini version of me.
Are we kidding? Kidding. We can pretend that we feel nothing and keep it hidden now. 'Cause I've been thinking about willing.
And I found that hanging your bananas instead of putting them into fruit baskets makes them last longer. Like, it slows down the ripening process. So for someone that buys a lot of banana like me, I don't want them to ripe all at once. So hanging them is a good trick to keep them longer. And also, what I do to refill my stock, I make sure I remove the old ones and pour in the new ones, and then top up the old ones at the top. That way they get used first before using the fresh ones.
We can't pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. 'Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. And I'm feeling the way I do. 'Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be through. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm.
Toiletries and beverages need a restock, but that will be for another day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, fam. Don't forget to give this video a like. It helps me out a lot. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel for more motivational content like this. And I love you all. I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed and bye bye.